See, class 7, chapter light, which is I think 16. Yes, chapter 16. Okay, see, first of all, today's topic is a spherical mirror. This is a spherical mirror. If you cut it, we got this part. And if you cut it, then you got this part. If you cut it, the coating is here. And if you cut it by this way, the coating is here. So the reflecting part, light comes the inner part of a spherical mirror in this case, and in this case light come the outer part of the mirror. So if the reflecting surface is on the inside the mirror, reflecting surface is inside the mirror, then reflecting surface inside the mirror, then it's said to be concave mirror. So it is first part of the spherical mirror. Second part, convex mirror. If the reflecting surface is outside the mirror, reflecting surface outside the mirror, then it's said to be convex mirror. Okay. See, let us take any mirror. So the reflecting surface is outside the mirror, then it is said to be convex mirror. And the center of mirror is said to be pole, which is denoted by capital P. Pole. The center of mirror is pole. Okay. We know that this is a part of a spherical mirror which comes with whole spherical mirror. Okay. So this is formed by this one. So the center of a spherical mirror is here. It is a part of a spherical mirror which formed by this one. Okay. So this is said to be center of curvature. It is denoted by capital C. A line which travel through the pole or passes through pole and center of curvature are said to be principal axis. Principal axis. So this is center of curvature and this is pole. And the distance between center of curvature and pole are said to be radius of curvature, which is denoted by a small r. So this is all about a spherical mirror. You can also observe figure 16.4. See. This is concave mirror and this is convex mirror. The reflecting side is inside the mirror and painted coating is outside the mirror. Then the reflecting side is inside the mirror. Center of mirror is pole. Center of curvature is the center of a whole spherical mirror, C. The distance between C and P is pole and center of curvature is radius of curvature. Okay. And see here, the reflecting surface is outside the mirror, so it is convex mirror. So it is basically the difference between concave and convex is the reflecting surface. It means that a surface by which light bounce back. So the surface is inside the mirror and here outside the mirror. If surface is inside, then it's said to be concave, and the surface is outside, reflecting side, then it's said to be convex. Okay, so please draw figure 16.14 in your copy.